Hi everyone. I never thought a toilet seat would need a learning curve, a power outlet, and a few days of getting used to it. But this TOTO WASHLET S2 definitely changed the way I look at a bathroom upgrade. Today I'm talking about the TOTO WASHLET S2 Bidet toilet seat. And this is one of those products that sounds a little unnecessary until you actually live with it for a while. I added it to the master bathroom, and at first, I honestly wondered if it was going to feel like too much technology in a place where things should be simple. But after using it, installing it, cleaning it, and figuring out the settings, I can say it has become one of the most noticeable upgrades in the house. Visually, it looks modern without being too flashy. It replaces the regular toilet seat, so the main thing you see is the slightly larger rear section where all the technology is built in. The controls are attached on the side, which I personally like. I didn't want a separate remote that could get misplaced, need batteries, or end up somewhere random. The side panel keeps everything in one place, and the buttons are laid out in a way that makes sense once you spend a few minutes with it. Installation was much easier than I expected. The process was basically removing the old seat, cleaning the area well, mounting the new seat, and connecting the water line. The water connections were hand-tight, and the mounting plate had adjustment room so the seat could line up properly with the bowl. If you already have power nearby, the whole setup can be pretty quick. The most important things are making sure you choose the correct shape for your toilet, round or elongated, and making sure it's plugged in safely because it is being used near water. Once installed, the seat felt sturdy. It didn't wiggle around when I sat on it, and that was one of my first concerns because nobody wants a bathroom seat that feels loose or temporary. The soft close lid is also a nice everyday touch. It sounds small, but once you're used to the lid lowering gently instead of slamming, it feels like something every bathroom should have. The real experience starts when you sit down. The heated seat is the feature I thought I would like, but I didn't realize how quickly I would get used to it. On cold mornings or during winter, it makes a bigger difference than expected. After using a warm seat regularly, a normal cold toilet seat feels surprisingly unpleasant. The warm water is another big part of the comfort. If your water situation tends to be very cold, this feature matters a lot. The temperature can be adjusted, and I strongly recommend starting low or somewhere in the middle before turning anything up. The water can get very warm, and this is definitely not the area where you want surprises. The wash functions work well. The rear wash is straightforward and effective, and the wand position, pressure, temperature, pulse, and oscillation options give you enough control to find what works for you. I would absolutely suggest trying the lowest pressure setting first. The front wash is useful too, especially for women or anyone with sensitive skin, but it may take a little body positioning to get it exactly right. A slight lean forward can make a difference. It's not difficult, just something you learn after a few uses. The dryer is another feature I appreciate, though it is not perfect. The warm air feels nice, but the fan could be stronger. If you want to get fully dry using only the dryer, it can take a few minutes. In real use, I usually think of it as reducing the need for toilet paper rather than completely replacing it every single time. Even then, it helps cut down paper use a lot, and the clean feeling afterward is the main reason this kind of seat becomes hard to give up. The deodorizer is one of those features that sounds funny until you realize it actually helps. There's a fan system that starts working during use, and it makes the bathroom feel fresher afterward. The pre-mist feature is also practical because it helps keep things from sticking to the bowl. It's one of those quiet background functions that you may not think about much, but it contributes to the overall clean feeling. The nightlight is useful for middle-of-the-night bathroom trips, although setting it up can be a little confusing at first. It is not necessarily obvious from just looking at the panel, so the manual becomes important. Once it is set though, it's a welcome feature. I like not having to turn on a bright bathroom light when I'm half asleep. There are a few downsides worth mentioning. The unit does make some noise when it prepares itself and when it cleans itself afterward. It's not extremely loud, but in the middle of the night, you may notice it. Closing the bathroom door after flushing helps keep it from being distracting. Another small thing is that the side control panel is practical, but it doesn't feel as premium as the rest of the seat. It works fine, but the seat itself feels more solid than the panel. Also, depending on your body and the toilet shape, the seat opening may feel a little shorter than a standard elongated seat. For some men, that can take getting used to. It's not a deal breaker for me, but it is something to be aware of if you already feel like you need every bit of space on an elongated toilet. Cleaning is simple, but I would be careful with how you do it. I don't spray cleaner directly onto the seat or controls. I prefer spraying a non-bleach cleaner onto a brush or cloth first, then wiping the seat and control area carefully. Since there are electronics built into the seat, It just makes sense to be gentle. I also stick to flushing only toilet paper because keeping the plumbing clear is always better than dealing with clogs later. Overall, the TOTO Washlet S2 feels like a well-developed product. It has heated water, a heated seat, adjustable washing, drying air, deodorizing, pre-mist, a nightlight, and a soft close lid, all built into a seat that can be added to a regular toilet. It is not the cheapest bathroom upgrade, and it does take a little learning, but the comfort and clean feeling are genuinely hard to go back from once you get used to it. My final take is this: if you want a simple toilet seat, this is more than you need. But if you want a cleaner, warmer, more comfortable bathroom routine, and you have the right toilet shape and power nearby, the TOTO Washlet S2 is absolutely worth considering. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have